Hello all, welcome to Oracle Cloud Learning's OIC. Today in this video, we will see how we can create a lookup, use the lookup created in OIC, and how we will also see some operations on lookup using REST API. Like in this video, we will see like how we can export an already existing lookup in OIC and send that as an attachment to a user in notification. So first let's start with the navigation. So from home you have to click on this symbol and then go to integrations, lookups. So here we will have the option import and create. So if you have already existing lookup file handy, you can directly import it using this button. So to create a lookup manually, you have to click on this create button. So type the name. So in this lookup I will store the mail IDs of the recipient to which we have to send the attachment file to. So I will give the name as notification email lookup, and I will click on create button. So this will create a lookup. So here we can add the row column names. So here I will give the integration name. So here I will give the recipient email IDs. I will add the values here. Look, export lookup from, this will be the from email ID, and this will be the two. So from will be, so in this case I will provide both the email IDs are same only. So I will click on the save. So this will save this lookup. So let's start with the integration. So in this interface I will explain like what we are going to do. So first we will export this already existing lookup which contains the state and its capital in India. Like for Tamil Nadu it's Chennai, Karnataka it's Bangalore. So these things and all we will send it as a file attachment to the user. So this file we will export in interface and directly we will send it as an attachment using the to the email ID using this lookup which we have created over here. So first let's start with the interface. So I will click on create. So this will be a scheduled based integration only. So first, to move along with the process, we will start by creating the notification first. Okay. So I will search for notification bar action. Okay. So this from email address, we will get it from the lookup we have created just now. So let's open this and keep it handy. So here we have the functions column. So here we can see the lookup function under integration cloud. Lookup value. So you can just drag it over here, or you can just directly click on it. Okay. So notification email lookup is the one we need to use. So here you have to select the source column and target column. Here the source column will be integration name, target column will be email ID. Click on next. So you can provide default value if you want in the previous step. If you don't want to give any default, you can just directly skip it. It's optional only and click on done. So after using this, we have to provide the source value. So this value we will get it directly from the lookup only. We just have to add a quote, and within the quote we have to provide the mail ID. So the integration name, source value. So I will just copy it over here. So what will happen now? So whenever the email from value has to be assigned, it will search for this lookup value with this integration name, and it will get the appropriate email ID, and it will use it to send the notifications. So this is that part. So I will click on validate, close. So next in the two, we have to follow the same step only. Can directly search here also. So this lookup value comes. Same thing, you have to select the source column and target column and click on done. So we have to replace the source value again. So this time we have to use the to value. So I will just add the to value. So to cross check, if you see now, this mail notification should be sent to this email ID. Okay. So here in the subject, I will just add export lookup integration. So here you can provide the email body. So here you can use HTML, CSS. Those options are also there. You can redesign. You can use tables here. So those options are available in OIC that you can use, and we will see that in another video. So for now, I will just mention. Please find the attachment for exporter lookup. Thanks. So this will be our email subject body. So for now I will validate. We will add the attachment once we call the REST API. So we have already created on REST connection. I will start with that connection also. So this REST connection, what it has is the base URL also of our OIC instance. So this is the connection we are using to build the adapter. So I'll just directly click on it. Export lookup. So this will be get operation, and this will be the endpoint URL. So this you can just directly copy and paste it over there. So this name will be our template parameter, and this name only we will pass. Okay. So we need a response from this REST API. So we have to check this button. Click on next. So the template parameters what all we have created, it will be automatically added over there. So now we have to give the response format. So I'll give other media type. Here I will select binary. So since this gives a response as a CSV file, you have to select the response payload format as binary. You can click on done. So to this lookup, so one thing I have to say you, like every time you do one action, you just save the interface. Like this will help you save any data loss. So I'll just click on. So to call this REST API, we have to pass the lookup's name. So we will just directly hard code the value. So the value of our lookup, I will just take it from here. So this is the lookup we want to export. So this will be the name. I'll just copy it. So here in template parameters for this name, I will create target node. Click on the settings button and set text. I will just paste it. So this value will be hard coded during REST call. So that lookup what we have created will be exported. I will click on save. So now we will add the attachments. Okay. So click on this plus icon. So here if you see this export lookup REST API is giving this response as a stream reference. So this stream reference will have the CSV file of the exported lookup. Okay. So you can just validate and close. Validate, close, save. So there will be one error. So we have to provide the tracking variable. Go to actions, tracking. So give one tracking name for this interface. Export lookup. Click on save. So this will solve the error. Click on save. Click on close. So we will activate this integration and we will run it and we will see how this interface works now. Activate, enable tracing, include payload. So this we have to check it so that we could see how the interface works and we can see the payloads and all. So this we will not do in any production environment, only in test environment we will do this, test and development environments. So first I will open my mail ID so that we can see the output also. So I will submit my integration, submit now, submit now. So we will see the tracking now. So it got succeeded. So we will see the payload now, like how it worked and all. So if you see the integration started and this is the data mapping that we have hard coded value will be here. Export lookup. So that value will be sent to the REST API and we will receive the file reference as the output. So and the notification will be sent with the following details. So if you see the email from and to, these values came from the lookup, subject came and the attachment also it has been sent successfully. So let's see my mail ID from the REST service. So let's open the attachment. This is the output file what we have received from the interface. So if you can see like the values what and all we have provided in the lookup, it's exported and it is sent to us as a CSV file. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe, and if you have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye.